everyone. I'm Allison Randall.
And I'm Courtney Klein from Sebastopol Library.
And we're here with SCL, that stands for Sonoma County Library, Makes. Today, we're folding Fish Friends to celebrate summer reading and plastic-free July. Sonoma County Library's summer reading program continues through August 13th. Courtney, have you logged in on Beanstack? Have you been logging in your time?
Okay,
good.
So far I've got 8 hours, so I already got a gift book, and now I'm working on my next 8 hours.
Excellent. So you can sign up on Beanstack like Courtney, or if you have trouble doing so, you can ask library staff at any of our 12 branch locations, or you can use a paper log to record your reading minutes, and you can earn free books and entries into our raffles. Okay, so we're going to start with our Fish Friends Take and Make, and they're available at all 12 library locations.
Today we are going to show you how to fold a fish friend.
Okay, so you'll get your Take and Make kit in a little envelope, and you'll get 10 pieces of 6x6 square paper and many, many colors. You're going to begin by folding the piece of paper diagonally, so corner to corner. And then again. Okay, and then you're going to fold it in half, kind of like a card or a book. And make sure you get the corners close together and crease the fold really, really well. There we go. And then you'll end up with kind of a star pattern, diagonal and up and across. And then we put it like that. Yeah, we put it like that. And then same on the other side. We had to watch the video like 12 times to figure it out. So if you need to back it up and then, go through and watch it 12 times, totally fine, totally understandable. So now we're going to fold its little fins by bringing this side into the center and then bringing this one, just half of it, across. We get its little tail fins. I'm not sure the technical term for that. And then we have a fishy. Yay! And this fishy needs a little eyeball. Here we go. Little pink fishy. Yay!
Look how cute. Awesome.
Hey, Courtney.
Hey, what's up?
Does a porpoise know its purpose?
I would think dolphinately not.
Thanks for joining us. Have fun reading this summer.
Yahoo!